Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe and share if you're just tuning in for the first time, and for returning subscribers, guys, if you know the way I really love you all, you guys always motivate me. Thank you all for your constant support. So I'm going to be showing you all how to tie a new trending gele today, and it's not difficult at all. It is very simple, as easy as ABC. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 6 pleats before placing this gele on my head. So if you're going to be tying this gele on yourself, you have to do it this way. You have to make your pleats first before placing the gele on your head. But if you're going to be tying for someone, you can just place the gele on the person's head and then make the pleats from there. So what I'm doing next is just to trace the pleats down towards my neck area so that my gele really comes out beautiful and it really looks nice. So the rule for this particular gele today is 50-50. The both hands of your gele has to be equal. So I'm just going to pass this gele, the two hands of my gele, across each other at the back and then bring them towards the front. So when I'm done, I'm just going to twist one hand of my gele and place under my armpit so that my gele does not unravel while I do the other hand of my gele. While I work with the other hand of my gele. So what I'm doing now is just making pleats, you know, the round normal infinity pleats. That is just what I'm going to do with this hand of my gele right now. For me right now, I'm using an ashoke to tie this gele. You know what, guys, when you guys go to the market, you usually have 4 rows of gele. I think they sell in 4 rows, but I had to buy 4 more rows to make it 8 so that my gele really stands the way that I want it to. It gives me the shape that I want it to, and so that my gele is big. So I had to add the 4 rows of my gele to the other one, to the previous ones I had before. So right now the width of my gele is very big. But if you're working with a small gele, it also works, just that it won't look as big as it should. And this is a firm ashoke gele. It doesn't easily unravel. And also, guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, what are you waiting for? Please do that. I have most of the trending geles right now, and they're really going to help you to know how to tie gele on yourself and also on your clients. So guys, please go check out my channel and see how to tie gele for yourself or for your friend, family, or also for your customers. So right now, I'm just tracing these pleats down towards the other side of my face so that my gele does not easily unravel. I really don't know what happened today, but my lighting is not the way that it should. I am not just feeling my makeup, but I had to post this video though. I had to post. So guys, be easy on me. I hope the video was helpful or is helpful to you. If it is, don't be shy to thumbs me up, and don't be shy to subscribe and also share. I really love it when you guys do that. So I'm done with the other hand of my gele. I'm just going to pick the second hand of my gele and make the same pleats that I did for the first one. So at this point right now, guys, I'm going to start making my fan. All you have to do when you want to make your fan is to make sure that you make use of your both hands. One hand has to pick the gele while the other hand has to hold the gele so that it doesn't unravel. It's just as simple as ABC, and I trust that you guys can do it. I do believe you all. Why not? I believe you all. So just make sure that you pick with one hand and the other hand holds the gele. So right now I'm done with making my fan. I'm just going to hold the end of this particular hand of my gele, twist it towards the back and pin it. Guys, if you've asked me to do any video at all for you, any trending gele video at all, please just be patient with me. I am going to attend to you guys soon. Thank you all so much. I really love you all for all you've been doing, for your consistent support. So I'm taking my gele towards the back and pinning it. All I'm doing right now is just to make sure that my gele is nice and it looks beautiful. And here is what the back of the gele should look like. I love you all so much, and the party has just got started. So that's actually why I am in this mood. That's why I'm dancing. I'm going to see you all in my next video, guys. I love you all so much. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.